Welcome. Today we're going to guide you through enabling location permissions for Outlook on your PC. With the latest update, this process has become more streamlined, and we'll break it down into simple steps. Let's get started. First, open Outlook in your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to access the settings. Once Outlook is open, locate the View Site Information icon. This icon is typically found right next to the web address in your browser's address bar. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Site Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage various permissions for Outlook. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Location. Here, you'll see options to control how Outlook uses your location data. Next to Location, click on the drop-down menu and choose Allow. This action grants Outlook permission to access your location whenever necessary. It's a quick adjustment that ensures features requiring location data work seamlessly. Once you've enabled this setting, you're all set. You can now close the Settings tab and continue using Outlook without any interruptions. Enabling location permissions is essential for certain functionalities in Outlook, especially when working with location-based services. By following these steps, you've ensured that your experience remains smooth and efficient. Thanks for tuning in. If this guide helped you, feel free to share it with others who might need assistance.